Okay, it's finale time. Doug and Peacock.
Who's barking?
What does the top look like?
Not much anymore.
Kill it. Okay, here's the peacock. Right there. Where your light is. Right there. No. Up. Left. Right there.
What is he looking for?
The other piece.
What?
The piece that exploded.
blew off.
Yeah, when it exploded.
This is the peacock?
Yes, the grand finale.
Watch out, Joe. Oh, that is pretty fucking tight.
Yay!
That's pretty.
That
Is it
is
supposed to light all at once?
It's only lasts like 54 seconds.
Oh,
54.
that'd be a long time.
A minute? It's a minute long? Is it just doing that?
Yeah, that's awesome.
That is freaking awesome.